Hey guys, what's up? It's an absolutely beautiful morning here, and I'm gonna get the Cub fired up, let it warm up, and here in about 10 minutes we're gonna blast off and we're gonna get up just before the sun comes up. It's gonna be a beautiful, beautiful morning, nice flight. We're gonna buzz over to Hangar and check out what I'm doing over there. It's a little Sonics. It's gonna be a good time, so let's get to it. Little Deegan. What you doing, little Deegan boy? Bags are off. Wheels on. Throttle's cracked. Alright. We're going to let this warm up a few minutes. We're going to taxi down. Do our run up. Blast off. Hopefully catch the sunrise. So, let's get to it. A little cool this morning. I definitely don't like being cold, so I'm just gonna go ahead and shut the door. So it looks like I have about a 1/2 inch left on the fuel gauge. So I would say level flight. It's going to adjust a little bit, but let's see how much fuel it takes. It's a 12-gallon capacity. Supposedly you have about 30 minutes reserve when it's all the way down. So I'm going to go with about 45 minutes in there, which is going to be somewhere around 2 gallons, maybe 2.75 gallons. So we should take almost 10 gallons, but just under 10 gallons. So we'll see what we get here in a minute. Okay, that looks about stuffed right there. Wow, that's crazy. I'm within a 1/4 inch. I have a thing with guessing numbers, dollars, apparently gallons, whatever, but I guessed 9 1/4, which would put me 275 gallons left on a 12-gallon tank. So let me show you the gauge here. This is 9 gallons, 0.27. That's crazy. All right, I'm gonna get this fuel, all this jazz put up. We'll go over in the hangar and I will show you what's up with the little Sonics that I'm working on. So let's get to it. Cub's really easy to push back here on the cross roof for the horizontal stabilizer. Just kind of put my hand right up against there and just kind of hug the back of the fuselage here. Just kind of walk it backwards pretty easy, especially right now we're going downhill, so should be able to get a nice little run here. Cub is plenty far back enough. All right, we'll let that go. 2000 cc. Just pulled the aluminum heads off here last week or so, getting those reworked. I believe they're ready to be picked up. Get new seals and everything for the push rod tubes and complete gasket set. This will be going together here fairly soon, here in the next week or so. Quick look inside. Just installed this UAvionics ADS-B. Put a unit right there on the side. You can see it. Seemed to went pretty smoothly, honestly. So that's what's up in here in the hangar, and that was an absolutely beautiful morning to fly, and it is so nice out right now. Looks like the crop dusters are going to be out spraying today. It also looks like they're setting up for the skydiving. Such a beautiful Sunday morning here. All right, well, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions about this Cub or the Sonics, maybe I can answer those. But until next time, you guys stay safe, be blessed. I will see you in the next one. Later.